Hello everyone, my name is Nikhila and today I'll be demonstrating a cool science experiment called iodine clock reaction, which is a classic example for demonstrating chemical kinetics, which is the study of how fast the reaction occurs. The rate of reaction is defined as on the basis of the concentration of the reactants or products. Cons- Rate of reaction is defined as the decrease in the concentration of the reactants over time or increase in the concentration of the products over time. Let's go ahead and see what are all the materials required for demonstrating this experiment. We need uh, iodine. They have given 5% iodine, but I got only 10%. So I'm gonna reduce the amount that we have to add to half, and distilled water, cornstarch, and 3% hydrogen peroxide. And they have asked for 2000 milligrams of vitamin C tablets, but I have got this 1000 milligrams of vitamin C powder at home, so I just want to use this and see how it goes. And measuring cups, and and these strainers with filter papers. We have to make two solutions, solution A and B, and in the final step we have to add equal quantities of this solution A and B into this cup, and we have to observe a cool chemical reaction, color change to occur. I have made my solution A and B already prepared. So in this solution, the solution A, we have to add 2000 milligrams of vitamin C powder to 60 ml of distilled water, so that we had to mix it thoroughly and see we had to strain it, strain the solution, so that we are not left with any solutes of vitamin C in the solution. And then we had to add 12.5 ml of 10% iodine to this vitamin C solution. Usually iodine is a dark colored liquid. As you can see, this is dark brown maybe. When it is added to vitamin C, it turns colorless because vitamin C reduces iodine to iodide ion, I2 to I minus. Iodine is colored, as you can see here, and I minus is colorless. When I added iodine to vitamin C solution, it was the same orange color as it was before. Like, that means the dark, usually if it was not, there is no enough vitamin C in the solution, we do not get the color change, like it won't turn colorless, but it turned the solution to the previous color. And I have added the rest of the amount with distilled water. So this is our solution A. So coming to the solution B, we had to add 0.4 grams of cornstarch to 350 ml of distilled water. It was more of a cloudy solution at first. They have asked for microwaving it for bubbling until it is bubbling hot. So I have microwaved it for almost 2.5 minutes. So it kind of turned less cloudy. So for this, we have to add 150 ml of hydrogen peroxide. So this is our solution B. We had to add equal amounts of solution and A and B and observe the change in the color. So I want to add 150 ml of each. So this is solution A, 150 ml going into this, and our solution B, 150 ml. So we'll wait until the color changes. Until we wait, the stirring helps in speeding up the reaction process to occur. So I have given a nice stir, and I will wait meanwhile. Meanwhile, I will explain the science behind it. So our solution A contains vitamin C and iodine. Vitamin C reacts with iodine and reduces it to I minus ion, and hydrogen peroxide tends to react with iodide ions to form iodine. Before the solution changes the color, these iodine reacts with ascorbic acid present in the solution, and it this kind of, these two reactions go back and forth, competing with each other. So we won't see the color change immediately. So after some time, like as we have added only a tiny bit of vitamin C or ascorbic acid compared to our hydrogen peroxide, there is a limited amount of vitamin C. So this get used up eventually. So we are left with hydrogen peroxide and iodine, which iodide ions, so which converts to iodine. Iodine, when reacts with the excess iodide ions, it forms triiodide complex, which reacts with cornstarch solution to form blue iodine or starch complex, which represents the quick change in color. That's when the reaction has occurred. So I think it is taking a little while than expected. Let me go ahead and stir. So after doing this, I could see the color change, as you can see. Oh my goodness, it's a success. I can see bluish, blackish kind of liquid. It is because of triiodide reacting with starch solution. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about iodine clock reaction. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.